Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Imagenish Videos. If you're a food lover who's passionate about exploring the secret stories behind your favorite dishes, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of the humble yet iconic chicken sandwich, and unearthing some facts you probably didn't know. Hi folks, are you ready for chicken sandwich? Now, we all love a good chicken sandwich, don't we? Crispy, juicy chicken tucked between two soft slices of bread, maybe with a bit of mayo, lettuce, and tomatoes. It's comfort food at its finest. But how much do we really know about this popular dish? Let's explore some unknown facts about the chicken sandwich. Fact number 1. Did you know the sandwich was named after an actual place? Yes, you heard that right. The 4th Earl of Sandwich, in England, is said to have invented the sandwich concept, because he wanted a meal he could eat with one hand while he continued to play cards with the other. Fact number 2. Different cultures have their own unique twist on the chicken sandwich. For instance, in Mexico, they have the torta de pollo, a type of chicken sandwich served inside a crusty roll. And in Japan, there's the katsu sando, a breaded and fried chicken cutlet served between slices of fluffy white bread. Fact number 3. Remember the Great Chicken Sandwich War in the US a few years back? It all started in 2019 when Popeyes launched a new chicken sandwich, and soon a social media battle broke out between Chick-fil-A and Popeyes over who had the best chicken sandwich. Fact number 4. That chicken sandwich war went viral on Twitter. Popeyes saw a massive surge in sales, even selling out of the sandwich nationwide due to the unexpected demand. It's a testament to the power of social media and our collective love for a good chicken sandwich. Fact number 5. Ever thought about the chicken that goes into your sandwich? There are numerous breeds of chicken worldwide, and they all have unique flavors and textures. Some premium chicken sandwiches may even specify the breed, like the French Bresse or the American Rhode Island Red. Next time you bite into a chicken sandwich, remember, there's more to this delightful dish than meets the eye. The history and variations of the humble chicken sandwich truly make it a global culinary gem. If you enjoyed learning these facts, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your foodie friends, and subscribe to Imagenish Videos for more food facts and recipes. Until next time, keep exploring, and keep munching. This is Imagenish Videos, signing off. Stay hungry.